introduce myself before and we did it. Then I say hi. Okay? Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Anyways, let me ask you a question. Asa mo nga college? Titech?
Titech.
Hello, okay. Allow me to introduce myself. Hi. I am your student. Ate Ann, being an informal. You can call me Ann or I am a fourth year student taking the course of Bachelor of Science in Engineering. I am also the current president of Association Travel and Tourism Students. What? To simplify, I am the current president of the Whole Tourism Students Invited. And I am your first guide for your campus tour. Welcome everyone to Bohol Island State University's main campus, your new home. Okay, and this is the beginning of your college journey. Oh my God. Baduhan na niya. Walay tuition, pero bayad ko to. Diba? Bayad na yun ang utok. Ay, yung na-register. Asa mo utok? Muna ibayad. Malak ka. What if you wala yung utok? Ano ka? Carla. Anyway, you are here at the School of Medicine. Behind me, you can also read it out loud that this is the but as obvious as it seems, oh my gosh, the phone is so fun. Secret. Invisible. Kung magsitingin ka, naman lang, ang kapatid mo, Carla, ano lang ba, mga showbiz, meron sa mga books. So, before we start with sa mga details and stuff, I would like to give you a school rule. For the first rule, for this practice, that you should stick to one group. Okay? Kana, dapat stick to one kami, mga loyal, dahil ka mga guys. Kung kita na maamis, mas magwapa na ako, or sa, that's walking, ano ba to, like, hindi kita stop and stare. Tingnan na lang sa nana ko, nandito na nagkalaway-laway ko ko. Ano? Asa ka ako makakakuha ng lakaw na di ay? Okay ka ay na guys. Ano mo na? Ano mo na nga? Amis mo na. Ito, try mo. Pero dapat, hindi mo madaw. Ang dalawa ko ako. Ano ba? Parang ako eh. Ano na ba tayo? Ano na ba? Kita. So, ito ang first thing. We should think of one. And for the second rule is that we should be silent. No? Hindi na lang tayo. Be silent because remember, just like behind you, silent classes. Hindi na lang na kasi yung pao. Dili lang yung magsabak pero rin yung ang stuff. Shooting kayo mo or TC. Shooting. Sabado pa na siya. Lang, itong na mo.
Patay.
Okay, so for the third rule, you should listen attentively to your dad. Hindi na naman ako. Hindi sa kami. And for the fourth and last rule is that you should enjoy. Enjoy what you are doing right now and learn from it. Because you learn from others and from new experiences. Dahil sa buko na mo, ingat. Dahil pala ko batog sa main campus, bayo ng Anthony Bakers at sa room 1. Nga, sa asa man na sir, sa SOM. Ang pagkakanyong ko, gimin siya sa ate baby. Gimin siya ito. Lupit mo na. Wala mo na minaw na ako. Sakit ka ay sa heart. Grabe kay heart thing. Okay. I would like to give you a basic information about the School of Medicine building that we have 3 floors here. First, second, and third. For the first floor, we have a 2 kinds of rooms. Napili siya yung mga faculty we have for the medicine. For the first boardroom, muna siya to your right. And kasi mag-wonder mo ha, nabibutahan dito eh. Okay, sa kabangan. Mga bright diata. So, nari sa kabangan. Okay? So, for the second boardroom, this is the second boardroom to your left. And, para asa mo siya to? This serves for the meetings, gatherings, conferences with the different faculties, visitors, and so, puro na siya mga rooms.
Bahala na.
And ang nag-occupy dito, not just for the medicine students, but also engineering pa, the whole CEA kung sa may meaning, ana at College of Engineering, Architecture, and Industrial. Dito ba sila? Okay? So, mo to siya, and for the third floor, na ang interesting ng object nila. So, pero exclusive lang siya kung naman. Lawas yun siya, like, tao yun. Ngay ulo. Naman. Tama. Kompleto din siya. So, kanang, ang iyahang sudlanan kay mura na tao. Yung nila, kita. Kanang, be surrounded by bodies of God. So, para ba? So, what is that? And, I think that's it for your first talk. But before I let you go on, before I let you go, since you are a freshman and I am a senior, I would like to give you a friendly advice as a starter pack of your college. Do not pressure yourself too much, okay? Do not pressure yourself too much. Amo ang something like that. Like, sa first yun, makaya, makakunik. First sa concept, ayan. Yung sa kanya, ayan, hindi di tayo. Ang inyong goal, gusto mo makumlaude, magna, pero what if hindi mo makaya? Ano na bitaw? Like, kung saan na kaya? Like, word ko sa kanta, ay, din sa ba? Talaga, then, just accept and move on. Accept and move on. But also, okay, when ikaw ka, pero hirap ka tama na mo ang paningkaw mo, ayaw nagpaksa. Okay? Ayaw nagpaksa. Okay? And, lastly, do not ever forget, because prayer is the best weapon for life. Okay? Bahala na magkainaunsa. Kanang pwede raw, ganit prayer ang imong ganoon yung mag-exam mo. Nabitaw si Lord. Bahala ko katuon, nabitaw si Lord. Magtuon ba yan? Wala pa siya. And I think that's it. This has been your first right? After time. Happy and grateful to serve you all. And I hope to see you around. If ever managabiyag ko. Hello! Kuno, mahaba na siguro. Anyway, so hope that. Thank you so much. And you can now proceed to your next one. Goodbye everyone and see you around. Bye! Thank you.
I-process sa ECAP, but dili na siya sa EDP i-validate. So, on the second floor, we have the SSG main office. Ang makita na to dito doon sa clinic is just the extension sa SSG office. So, that would be all. And you can now proceed to your next tour guide. Thank you and goodbye. I hope you will enjoy this conference. Campus tour, thank you.
Tuloy na mo naman.
Bye.
Go girls! Hi girls! Nandun tuloy. Patay ka. I-video tanan. Video tanan. Hey vlog, welcome to my guys.
Ako ba ito? Naipo sa YouTube? O sa YouTube, naipo sa
By the way, I am Jenny. So here we have the campus director's office. The name of our
Morning.
I am Ella, a fourth year student of History 711. So first, we have the guardhouse. Kung ato ninyo makita si Kuya Guard na nagbantay sa entrance and exit of course. Next, we have the guidance office located on the fourth floor of this building. The building
Walang po sa lagi na.
Lastly, we have sila ang nag-monitor sa student records and information na ang mga needed information needed na docs like sample, certificate of registration. So, ano mo magkuha sa registrar? And mga other documents that you have to need. So, that's all everyone. Thank you for listening and see you around at the campus. You can go now to your next journey.
Ay, nga na, ingon.
First to enter the room, sir.
Sa yung 2 years eh. Naka-advise na 2 years ano kasi
2 years.
nakapamoy si Paul. Sa mo NST sa kuan ato jud sa one is WP. Kay sure ba jud ko ani siya pa readers? Amen. Ako pa readers man ko Bravo first man ko. Then, if mapasa na mo, inan mo o kanang either modong mo sa HQ or lotong lang or diba kanang cameraman picture or diba kung naamoy concern sa about sa religion na hindi mo makatawag sa Sabado kapag mo ani Wednesday so magsuray-suray mo mamalik ka.
Ay, good na.
Once again, welcome to Baisu for the school year 2024 and 2025.
Nak bakan na.
Once in a lifetime, Our clinic provides medical services like medical consultation if you want to regarding individual you can go to the clinic and if ever a very you can go ask for medical.
Observe proper decorum
The
and
right side is the
simple good morning, good
Contact
afternoon,
medical like lab room. So, talaga din yan ako na sa
allowing you to say those words.
mga students nga ang courses is kanang
Proper
related sa
proper decorum
This is like a
Mo di ba?
So, study. So, ana.
Proper instructors. Na ako mga students,
Sign for
magkapagkakawin nila
or
ang
learning.
resource
So, atong nasa ilikod, Learning Resource Center, the library, ganun siya.
Ma'am, this is ni Ma'am Ati.
If you want to see, for example,
will be your last year. So, karon is na sa C-Tech Dean's Office. So, if nag-imo mo or nag-exit yung mga kilay nga C-Tech na pumunta sa ibabaw, well, this department was named for is the main College of Technology and Sciences. Karon is i-change na siya into C-Tech College of Technology. And also, if you want to sa inyo mga teachers, is nasa